ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. Three names you keep hearing, and three names that leave you thinking the same thing. Which one am I actually supposed to use? And do I have to pay for any of them? Hey there. Welcome back to Everyday AI Made Simple. I'm Alan, and yes, still the AI version of me, which today is a little funny because I'm an AI about to tell you which AI to use. Don't worry, I promise to be fair. By the end of this, you'll know exactly which one to open. For what? No jargon, no benchmarks, none of that. And you won't spend a single cent unless you decide you want to. So, why are there three of these things? Remember our well-read friend, the one who's read millions of books and gotten really good at guessing the next word? Well, it turns out there isn't just one of them. There are a number of them. ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude are just the three amigos that we use all the time. Same basic idea, but each one read a slightly different library, and each one grew up with a slightly different personality. And here's the honest truth nobody really tells you. They're all genuinely good now. All three, and they keep leapfrogging each other. Whoever's best this month might not be next month. So this isn't about crowning a winner. It's about finding the one that fits you best. Let's start with the thing most of us do every day: writing. Emails, messages, that one reply you've rewritten 4 times and still hate. For quick, everyday writing, ChatGPT is the comfortable all-rounder. Fast, friendly, gets it done. It's the one most people start with for a reason. But when the writing gets longer, or you want it to actually sound like a human wrote it, not a robot reading a memo, Claude tends to have the best ear. It's the one I'd trust with a real, important email. And remember from our emails episode, whichever one you use, you're still the editor. The AI does the heavy lifting. You make it sound like you. Next, getting answers. Looking things up, checking what's actually true, or taking something long and boring and squishing it into something you'll actually read. This is Gemini's home turf. It's plugged straight into Google search, so it's strong at pulling in fresh, up-to-date information. ChatGPT can search the web too, and it does it well. So you've got options here. One thing though, and this matters no matter which one you pick, they can still get things confidently wrong. We covered exactly this in the hallucinations episode. So if the answer actually matters, a fact, a date, a number, check it. Round 3, pictures. Making an image from scratch or pointing at a photo and asking, what even is this thing? ChatGPT is great at making an image from a simple description. Just tell it what you want. And Gemini is especially sharp at understanding images and video. Show it a photo and ask what's going on in it. If you've watched our photo episodes, you already know how powerful this stuff has gotten. And the good news is you don't need a special app. The everyday ones can do it. Okay, but here's the part that actually decides it for most people. It's not which one is smartest. It's which one already fits your life. Do you live in Gmail, Google Docs, Google Photos, and Android phone? Then Gemini is already sitting right there, inside the tools you use every single day. That kind of convenience is hard to beat. Want one safe, do everything pick that you'll recognize and that just works? ChatGPT. Do a lot of writing and want it to sound human? Claude. So the honest answer to which one should I use is this: the one that fits what you already do. There's no single best AI, only the best one for you. And here's the freeing part. All three are free to start. You can try the whole lot without spending a thing, and only pay later if you ever feel like you need to. Please, though, don't subscribe to all three at once. Your bank will start asking questions. I made a free 1-page cheat sheet that lays all three side by side. Which one wins for which job? Link in the description. Save it to your phone, so next time someone asks you, which AI should I get? You'll have the answer right there. Quick recap. They're all genuinely good now. Pick by the job and by the tools you already use. and you never have to pay just to start. If this finally cleared things up, hit subscribe. I make AI simple, one everyday question at a time. And tell me down in the comments, which one are you using and what for? I read every single one. See you in the next one.